technology and electronics. This is where some of the most significant updates are found. TFT Display. A new 5-inch full-color TFT screen replaces the previous analog digital instrument cluster. It is designed with optical bonding to reduce glare and improve visibility in bright conditions. Smartphone connectivity. The new display integrates with the Honda RoadSync system, offering smartphone connectivity for both iOS and Android devices. This allows riders to access turn-by-turn navigation, make calls, and listen to music via a Bluetooth-equipped helmet headset. Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC. This traction control system helps maintain rear-wheel grip on slick surfaces, enhancing safety. Electric screen. The electronically adjustable windscreen has a travel of up to 180 mm, allowing riders to easily adjust for wind protection or a cooling breeze. Smart key system. The keyless smart key system controls the ignition, compartment locking, and even the optional for 5L smart top box. Other features. The scooter includes a USB-C charging socket and a lockable front pocket, full LED lighting, and an emergency stop signal function that activates the rear indicators during sudden braking.